So, what's up everyone? Constantine here, and today we're diving deep into something that's reshaping how we interact with technology, work, and even think. I'm talking about AI chatbots. For the past couple of years, they've gone from niche tech demos to tools that millions use daily. The landscape is evolving at an insane pace, and it's easy to get lost in the hype. AI chatbots are changing the world, but who's leading the race? In this video, we break down the latest 2025 stats between OpenAI's ChatGPT and the rising star DeepSeek. Stick around to see who's dominating and who might surprise you. You've got the established giant ChatGPT, which pretty much kicked open the doors for mainstream AI chatbots. Its growth has been phenomenal. But then you have new players like DeepSeek, coming in with fresh perspectives and aggressive strategies. It's not just about user numbers anymore. It's about global reach, revenue, and influence in critical sectors. So in this video, we're going to slice and dice the numbers. We'll look at user bases, growth trajectories, geographical traction, and revenue figures. We'll also explore their adoption in professional and educational settings. It's a classic tech showdown, but with AI, the stakes feel higher, and the pace of change is relentless. Ready to see how ChatGPT and DeepSeek stack up in 2025? Let's get into it. Alright, first up, let's talk user numbers, because adoption is a huge indicator of impact and market position. ChatGPT is still the undisputed king of the hill with over 400 million weekly active users. That's not just signups, that's active engagement. This scale is massive, putting it in the league of the world's largest social media platforms. Their monthly active user count stands at 180 million. This figure highlights its deep integration into workflows, research habits, and daily curiosities. It's a testament to its versatility, from drafting emails to debugging code. This user base provides immense feedback for OpenAI to refine its models. Now let's shift gears and look at DeepSeek. DeepSeek launched in early 2025 and already has over 33 million monthly active users. That's a seriously impressive ramp-up. To go from 0 to over 30 million MAUs in such a short time frame speaks volumes about its market entry strategy and unique features. Comparing these two, ChatGPT clearly has the lead in sheer volume, built up over a longer period. Its numbers reflect a mature platform with widespread recognition. DeepSeek showcases the explosive potential of a well-positioned newcomer. Its rapid growth suggests the AI chatbot space is far from saturated. For ChatGPT, its massive user base translates into a wealth of data for model training and significant brand equity. For DeepSeek, achieving 33 million MAUs so quickly is a powerful validation of its technology. It signals to investors and users that it's a serious contender. Looking ahead, the big question for ChatGPT will be how it maintains its growth momentum. Can it continue to innovate at a pace that keeps its massive user base satisfied? For DeepSeek, the challenge will be to sustain its initial explosive growth. The user base numbers are just one part of the puzzle, but they set a fascinating stage for the ongoing evolution of AI chatbots. So, we've seen the overall user numbers, which are impressive. But where exactly are these users coming from? The geographical distribution of a user base can tell us a lot about a platform's global appeal. For ChatGPT, its reach is truly global, but there are some clear hotspots. The United States remains a primary market with a significant concentration of its users. Following the US, countries like India and Brazil emerge as major contributors. India, with its massive tech-savvy population, represents a huge growth area. Brazil shows strong adoption, indicating a significant appetite for AI tools in Latin America. This widespread international usage underscores ChatGPT's ability to transcend linguistic and cultural barriers. Now let's turn our attention to DeepSeek. A staggering 39% of DeepSeek's downloads are originating from China. Operating successfully within China's unique digital ecosystem is a major achievement. This strong concentration in China for DeepSeek is super interesting. It could be due to language model optimization for Mandarin, specific features, or strategic partnerships. DeepSeek's early success in China positions it as a potentially dominant player in one of the world's largest AI markets. When you compare the global reach, ChatGPT has a broader, more evenly distributed international presence. DeepSeek has demonstrated an incredible ability to capture a significant share in a key strategic market like China. This could be a launchpad for further expansion into other Asian markets. Ultimately, the geographical data reveals different strengths. ChatGPT's global spread shows its wide appeal and established presence. DeepSeek's concentrated success in China indicates a strong product-market fit in a critical area. As both platforms continue to evolve, it'll be fascinating to watch how their global maps change. Will ChatGPT deepen its penetration in existing markets and make further inroads in Asia? Will DeepSeek leverage its Chinese base to expand aggressively into other regions? The battle for global AI mindshare is definitely on. Alright, user numbers and global reach are crucial, but let's talk about revenue and market share. How are these AI giants actually making money? Starting with ChatGPT, it's rapidly becoming a financial powerhouse. In 2024, OpenAI reported that ChatGPT pulled in a staggering $3.7 billion in revenue. The projection for 2025 is over $10 billion. This kind of growth trajectory speaks to the incredible demand for its premium features and enterprise solutions. It shows that users and organizations are willing to pay for advanced capabilities. This robust revenue stream is vital for funding the immense R&D costs. Now let's look at DeepSeek. Its approach to the market seems to be quite different, particularly when it comes to pricing. One of its standout features is its ultra-low pricing for API usage. We're talking about figures like 14 cents per million tokens. For developers and businesses, this kind of pricing can be incredibly attractive. It significantly lowers the barrier to entry for building AI-powered features. This aggressive pricing strategy from DeepSeek is a classic challenger move. By offering comparable capabilities at a fraction of the cost, it can quickly win over price-sensitive segments. This isn't just about being cheap, it's about providing compelling value. If the performance is there and the cost is significantly lower, it forces a reevaluation of existing solutions. It's a strategy designed to rapidly acquire users and build market share. So you have these two distinct financial strategies at play. ChatGPT is leveraging its established brand to command premium prices. DeepSeek is using aggressive, low-cost pricing to enter the market and attract a user base. This could put pressure on incumbents like ChatGPT to reevaluate their pricing tiers. The market share implications are fascinating. ChatGPT currently holds a dominant position in terms of revenue share. However, DeepSeek's pricing model has the potential to rapidly capture a significant slice of the developer market. It's a reminder that in tech, market share can shift quickly. The big question is whether DeepSeek can scale its operations and move towards higher profitability. The competition is fueling innovation at an incredible pace. The AI revolution is just getting started. Beyond individual users, the real test of an AI's impact lies in its adoption by institutions, corporations, and academic bodies. ChatGPT has made serious inroads here. An incredible 92% of Fortune 100 companies are reportedly using ChatGPT. This is a massive endorsement, indicating that the largest businesses find tangible value in OpenAI's technology. The enterprise adoption of ChatGPT isn't just experimental, it's becoming embedded in workflows. Companies are leveraging its capabilities to enhance productivity, generate insights, and improve customer service. This deep penetration into the corporate world generates significant revenue through enterprise licenses. On the academic front, ChatGPT's influence is also undeniable. It's estimated that over half of college students are using it for research assistance and assignments. While this has sparked debate about academic integrity, it highlights the tool's power as an educational aid. Universities are recognizing that AI literacy is becoming an essential skill. Now let's look at DeepSeek's influence. DeepSeek is rapidly becoming an academic powerhouse, evidenced by over 10,000 research citations. This indicates that its models are being actively used and referenced by researchers worldwide. Over 500 universities are reportedly using DeepSeek in their AI courses. This suggests that its architecture makes it well-suited for teaching and research. By becoming a tool of choice in universities, DeepSeek is ensuring that the next generation of AI professionals is familiar with its platform. So, we see two different types of institutional influence. ChatGPT boasts widespread adoption in the corporate world and a ubiquitous presence among students. DeepSeek is making significant waves in academic AI research and education. This strong academic backing can drive future adoption in both industry and research. The interplay between these two domains will be key to watch. ChatGPT's corporate integration and DeepSeek's academic influence are shaping the future of AI. Both platforms are pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. The competition is fueling innovation at an incredible pace. The AI revolution is just getting started. We'll definitely be keeping a close eye on both ChatGPT and DeepSeek. What are people actually doing with ChatGPT and DeepSeek? Understanding the main use cases is key to grasping their strengths. For ChatGPT, its versatility is one of its hallmarks. It has become a top choice for a broad range of applications, particularly in research and general productivity. Users leverage it for summarizing documents, generating reports, brainstorming ideas, and drafting communications. ChatGPT's ability to understand context and generate human-like text makes it an invaluable assistant. If you need to quickly get up to speed on a new topic or draft an email, ChatGPT is often the first port of call. Its widespread adoption addresses common tasks that require information processing and text generation. Now let's pivot to DeepSeek. DeepSeek has distinguished itself with exceptional strengths in more specialized technical areas. One of its standout capabilities is in coding. DeepSeek offers robust support for over 80 programming languages. Whether it's generating boilerplate code, debugging algorithms, or translating code, DeepSeek is earning a reputation as a top-tier coding assistant. Beyond the number of languages, users report that DeepSeek's code generation is highly accurate. This focus on serving the developer community is a smart, strategic move. Another area where DeepSeek is making a name for itself is in multilingual translation. Its performance in translating between various languages is reportedly excellent. So, when you compare their primary use cases, you see complementary strengths. ChatGPT excels as a versatile AI assistant for a wide array of text-based tasks. DeepSeek has carved out a reputation for excellence in technical domains like coding and translation. This differentiation in core strengths is crucial. Users might choose one over the other based on their specific needs. A writer might lean on ChatGPT for drafting articles, while a software engineer might find DeepSeek indispensable for coding. As these models continue to evolve, we might see them either further specialize or broaden their capabilities. The competition is fueling innovation at an incredible pace. The AI revolution is just getting started. Who's using what? Understanding the typical user can provide insights into their appeal. For ChatGPT, the user base tends to skew younger. The majority of its users fall into the 18 to 34 age bracket. This younger skew aligns with its strong presence in educational settings. It suggests that the platform has captured the attention of a digitally native generation. As this demographic ages, their familiarity with ChatGPT could lead to deeper adoption in professional contexts. Now looking at DeepSeek, the demographic data paints a slightly different picture. Its user base has a significant male predominance, with around 71% of its users being male. This could be linked to its strong focus on coding and technical applications. DeepSeek is still in its early growth phase, so these balances might shift as its user base expands. The engagement patterns are also worth considering. For ChatGPT, its high weekly and monthly active user counts suggest strong, sustained engagement. People aren't just trying it once, they're coming back regularly. For DeepSeek, its rapid user acquisition indicates high initial interest and engagement. The key for DeepSeek will be to maintain that engagement and convert early trial into habitual use. It's interesting to consider how these profiles might influence future development. ChatGPT might focus on features that appeal to its broad, younger audience. DeepSeek might double down on features for developers and researchers. Ultimately, the demographic data provides a snapshot of who is currently most drawn to each platform. ChatGPT's younger, broader audience reflects its mainstream appeal. DeepSeek's profile reflects its more specialized, technical focus. Both platforms are still growing and evolving. Watching how these demographics shift will be key indicators of their long-term success. The competition is fueling innovation at an incredible pace. The AI revolution is just getting started. The verdict for now, and what's next. So, after diving into all those numbers and trends for 2025, what's the big picture takeaway in this ChatGPT versus DeepSeek showdown? ChatGPT, with its enormous user base, substantial revenue, and widespread adoption, still holds a commanding lead globally. It's become a household name, the default AI chatbot for millions. However, the rise of DeepSeek is a powerful reminder that the AI landscape is anything but static. It's rapidly emerging as a formidable force, particularly with its strong traction in Asia and its deep inroads into the academic and developer communities. Its aggressive pricing strategy and specialized strengths are clearly resonating. DeepSeek proves there's immense appetite for specialized, high-performing, and cost-effective AI solutions. So who wins? ChatGPT still leads globally with huge user numbers and revenue. but DeepSeek is a rising force, especially in Asia and academia. One thing's clear, the AI revolution is just getting started. Both platforms are pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. The competition is fueling innovation at an incredible pace. What's clear is that the AI revolution is far from over. We'll definitely be keeping a close eye on both ChatGPT and DeepSeek. What do you think? Which platform are you betting on or using the most? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI deep dives. See you in the next one.